Babe.
Yep, what's up?
We're so behind. I wanted to get the turkey in the oven at like 10 o'clock.
No, we got time. It's all good. We got plenty of time.
Can you just turn on the water heater for me? Can you just come here real quick?
What's up?
Can you just get the oven lit? We need to dump the tanks!
No, I'm going for it.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody! Woohoo! So if you've seen our videos before, you guys know that the first step when it comes to getting ready for the holidays is to always get your drink ready. I mean, I went with the Chardonnay, but it's very important to make sure that you are ready to go when it comes to hanging out. And, okay, now we're good. Happy holidays. Guys, I know what you're saying. We're never on time for where we gotta be. We're never on time for cooking. But I had a really busy morning. Yeah, let's just move on. Guys, come a little closer and I'm gonna give you the starting lineup for today. Here we go. So there is our starting lineup. We got the stuffing, potatoes, Walmart green beans, bread, turkey. Guys, this is our first time cooking Thanksgiving dinner, ever, even when we had a house, like you normal people.
How old are you?
21.
I thought you were 22.
That's right, I am 22. You caught me. Not only are we cooking Thanksgiving dinner for the first time, but we're doing it in an RV. Thank you, Christina, from the Frugal Duo. You saved our behinds when we were at Walmart because I almost bought the turkey with all the things in it. You know, I can't even guarantee this is gonna go correctly, so thank you for helping us. So we got this at Wally World and it only cost $14 for 2 of us. So I would say for cooking in an RV oven, get the turkey breast just to make it easier on yourself. Bada bing, bada boom. Next step is to get the oven lit. So come on, let's show you how easy this is. For this occasion, I purchased a pizza stone. It'll also really help evenly distribute the heat for your RV oven cooking. Come on! So the trick to starting your oven is to have your husband do it. Honey, can you light the oven for me? If you're wondering why all of our Christmas decorations are up, and you're thinking, wow, they decorated before Thanksgiving, you're absolutely right. But if you want to know how we decorated and how much fun we had, then check out this video right here. It's a good time, and you get to see what happened when we whipped out Dexter's Christmas outfit. Oh my God, it's the best. Okay, the oven is lit. That did not take long at all. And we're going to get the turkey ready. So let me look up how to do that. Okay. So this says this is 8.4 pounds. And according to the chart, it's gonna take like 3 to 3.5 hours. RV oven time, 4 or 5, give or take. So we'll probably eat dinner around 9 or 10 tonight. So I have a roasting pan that we're gonna use for this, so let's just get that out. So we got the pan. Thank you, pantry. I should have a cooking show. Why are we doing RV channel? Sometimes your calling is just your calling, you know what I'm saying? What's up, boy? We're gonna, yeah. Oh, we add flour. I need to ask you guys, what do you usually do with these bags? Do you have like a special ingredients you put in this bag, or like what's your secret? Put it in the comments below. Let me know. Yeah, what to specifically do with these bags, because the directions are very just like, do this, do that, you're good. Comments, please, let me know. Mom, I'm sorry if I'm embarrassing you, because I'm sure the whole family's watching this and they're just like, the bag will do all the work. You hear that? I'm counting on you today. And if I could just get it cooked where we don't get food poisoning, I will have done my job. You like the thyme or do you like the turkey? For the purpose of this video, I did zero research. So this is all just me figuring it out, and hopefully you're not like, what's wrong with them? And now we cry. Now we wait. Hey Siri, can you set a timer for 2 hours?
Okay, 2 hours and counting.
I know it's probably not gonna be done after 2 hours, but. Washing dishes. You'll just wash dishes forever. All the time. That's just what you're gonna do when you buy an RV. When you're like, what is RV life like? Washing dishes. It's been 2 hours, the alarm went off, so we're gonna see how the bird is doing, okay? Come here. Put her back in! Okay. I just wanna say whoever seasoned that bird, Betty Crocker, that's all I gotta say. All right, since we have time, since the bird needs more time to cook, let's just kick it off over to Kyle to do our RV tip of the week.
All right, so your RV tip of the week is coming from Aaron and Nicole from Living in Our Now, and they say make sure you carry a quality good-sized cooler just in case your refrigerator goes out during your trip. That way you won't lose your food and you have a place to store your drinks outside and free up fridge storage if nothing else. Nice tip, guys. Couldn't agree more. We have not had the refrigerator go out, but you just never know. So ladies and gentlemen, if you too are looking for a shout out, super easy. All you have to do is throw a comment down below and tell us what your favorite RV tip is when it comes to RV living.
Welcome back. Let's have a little conversation about all the other things we're gonna make for Thanksgiving dinner here in our RV. And yes, you are correct. It's not Thanksgiving today for us because it's Thanksgiving right now as you're watching this. So you're like, what in the world? How did they edit that fast? Today is November 21st. It's a Saturday before Thanksgiving. You caught us. But let's talk about what else we're making because I did not want to get overwhelmed because of the turkey situation. So, very simple. I got some stovetop stuffing mix. You want to know a fact? I have also never made stuffing before. Never! There are so many awesome recipes when it comes to green beans out there and stuffing. But guys, if you're living in an RV, you got one oven. And you gotta make a turkey. So sorry, but you sometimes gotta make the other things simple, okay? And I get it. We don't have the yams, we don't have the sweet potatoes, we don't have the cranberry sauce, but no, we're keeping it simple. I also got Walmart gravy mix. You like that? Buns, hun. The turkey's almost ready, so let's get the sides going, guys.
that is Thanksgiving in an RV, and we just want to take a moment and wish you guys the happiest of holidays wherever you are. Please be safe.
Well, Thanksgiving dinner turned out great.
Yeah.
I know in the beginning I was ready for a disaster, but
I was too.
I guess that's the way you got to look at life is it could be a disaster.
Yeah, totally.
So guys, I hope you were able to have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next week, every week as always.
Yes, much love to you guys from the Hanks household.
Cheers.
Cheers.
See you guys.
Bye.